Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited for this video because I'm going to be trying out a brand new foundation and it's from Revolution, and I'm very excited about this because I haven't actually tried any Revolution stuff in a long time, and also it's another one of these serum infused makeup products that we're seeing a lot in the makeup industry right now. And yeah, I'm very excited to see how this goes. And before I get started with the video, if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below. Click the bell so that you get notified of all my future videos, and if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so this is the foundation here. It's the Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation, and I love the packaging for this. It's very modern, it's very sleek, it's very kind of simple. It's like the very old school Revolution packaging. I'm just going to pull up some information about the foundation on my phone just to give us a better understanding of what the foundation is all about. It says that this is Revolution's first ever light to medium coverage skin loving serum foundation. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex to plump and hydrate the complexion. It says it's perfect for all skin types. It has a soft focus radiant satin finish that blurs imperfections while letting your skin shine. It has a lightweight breathable formula, and it says it has peptides inside to boost collagen, which helps to work to firm, brighten and hydrate the skin. Loving the sound of all that. Let me give you a better look at the foundation. So this is the bottle right here. It's a frosted glass square type bottle. It comes with a pump, and yeah, it's a really lovely package and design. The shade I have is F8, which there are 20 shades in the range, and this one I believe is from the medium skin tone range, and it's supposed to have a warm pink undertone to it. So we'll see if it goes well with my skin. I'm really looking forward to this, so I just want to get this on my face and see how it looks. So again, it says it's a light to medium coverage, so I want to see how well it covers, and I'm just going to pump a few pumps of this on one side first just to give a little comparison on how well it covers. I'll take this amount first and we'll see how well this blends and also see how well it covers. It's gliding on so lovely. It feels so good actually when I'm blending this in. It's very lightweight and very serumy, and I can kind of see that it has that pink undertone to it, which I feel like looks quite good actually on my skin. I didn't actually think I would be like a warm pink undertone, but maybe I am. I always thought I was maybe like a warm yellow undertone, but no, I think it may be warm pink because this is actually matching pretty well. Okay, wow, this is looking really good on the skin. It's not like any of the other Revolution foundations that I've tried. Like a lot of the other ones are like light medium but have more of like matte finishes, and they can look quite like makeupy and a little bit thicker on the skin, like almost cakey. But this one is actually really stunning. I honestly don't feel like you can see I have makeup on. This actually looks like what it states to be. Like it says it's supposed to have like a satin silky finish with a little bit of a luminosity that looks very natural and radiant on the skin. Now this actually looks like that. I'm going to apply it to the other side now. Okay, so this is how it looks on both sides now. I love how it covers really well. I really like the satin kind of radiant glowy finish that it has. There's a little bit of a tackiness to it just now, but I think it's because obviously it's a serum infused formula, so it's going to feel a little bit like that. I mean, obviously you can set it with powder and things like that if you're worried about it rubbing off on anything, but yeah, I really like the kind of glowy, the healthy look that is given to my skin. So I'm excited to get the rest of my makeup on and see how it looks with all that. So this is how my face is looking with all the rest of my makeup on. All the other products that I use like laid on top of the foundation really nicely. I mean, I did set the face a little bit with powder, like when I concealed my under eyes. I then went in my powder and I powdered a little bit just around my cheeks here because I was going to go in with some powder bronzer after a cream contoured, so it kind of dulled down a lot of the radiant finish that I had. However, if you don't use powder and you're more of a cream type person, then you're obviously going to see more of the radiance. It's going to keep its radiance, but it looks really good on the skin. It looks really nice and natural. Like, it doesn't look heavy or cakey on the skin. Like, it honestly just looks like your skin. It hasn't emphasized any of my texture, which is good. It's kind of slightly blurring, which is nice. It is very lightweight and breathable on the skin. Like, it doesn't really feel like you have foundation on. I really do love the kind of formula of it. Like, I like that it has that serum inside. It just makes it really nice and hydrating. The coverage is really good as well. It's definitely like a light medium coverage foundation. You could probably build this because the formula and the texture of it's really nice and light, and I feel like with this foundation it's great for everyday wear because it's very hydrating, it looks very natural on the skin, and it's just a really great easy foundation to apply. It melts beautifully onto the skin, it just sits beautifully, it looks good, so it's definitely a great everyday foundation. So I'll give you an update on this in a couple of weeks time to see how I'm getting on with it, but like so far from this first impressions, I think it's a really nice foundation. Like, it looks good on the skin, it's very natural, lightweight, breathable, all that like I said, and yeah, I would recommend it to you guys. But bear in mind, this I think is more of an everyday type of foundation. It's not really one that I would say for like glam evenings or events, so just bear that in mind. But of course it's up to you depending on what you like kind of coverage you like and finish and that, but for me it's definitely like a great everyday foundation. Yeah, so that is it for this review on the Revolution Skin Silk Foundation. I really hope it helped you out, guys, and I'm really happy that I like the foundation, you know, because it's been a long time since I have tried or even used anything from Revolution really, and when I seen this was coming out, it's really like appealed to me, like the look of it, and also like the description of what the foundation said. It definitely was right up my street, so I'm so happy that I like it. And again, like I said, I like the packaging design and all that. It's very kind of old school Revolution. That is it, guys. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.